What up, Lowrider family? Here we are another day. Got the GBody in the mix. Don't do it. Come on. We're right here in Florence, you know what I'm saying? Right here in the city of Lakewood. You know what I mean? Had to make a little pit stop, and fucking keep on with that traveling. No limit in the building. Got those no limit upper A-arms. Sitting on those big dog uniballs. Don't do it. Come on. Got those pockets all reinforced down. Ooh la la. So anyways, car didn't come for all that. That was done last year, Car ended up coming back through for repair. Did a broken ear warrior on this bitch and ooh la la. So we had to get her, repaired up and go from there. So this is what we're working with, Lowrider family. Got that big dog truss. So going on right here is the truss. I fabricated in. The original ear and all that had snapped off on this side. So went ahead and fabricated out 2 mounting points and utilized the Black Magic pivot joints for the axles. So normally they would incorporate them into the ears, but what I do is I ended up building out a tab and welding it in. So now it'll be on the lower side of the trailing arms. It'll be nice and swivelly. And then also coming up above right here, since it's an adjustable, it'll pivot nice and cherry. So got the homie chained up on the bridge. Got those Fuchilala chains coming on down. Help him restrict himself from overlocking and shit like that. So that'll help him out. Got sitting on 12 to 22 telescopic cylinders. Went ahead and re-bent out some fresh brake lines. Since we got our truss, the brake lines ended up having to travel in sooner. Got that hoochie going on. Then got it going on right here. Changed out his brake line. Now we got that extended brake line because now his 3 wheel is going to be going up a little bit taller and, going from there. And got that telescopic drive line nice in line so he'll be able to smash the freeways. That's a crucial part right here, you guys. You're pivoting. You want to make sure that motherfucker's in line. That way y'all can play. So that's what we got going on. We out here in LA Buffet, my fucking favorite city to play. Don't do it. And we out here fucking bringing her back home. There she is. So right here, that's that big dog truss going on over. Chopped off what was left of the ear. The ear was snapped off and then chopped off that side. Went ahead, fabricated up these two right here and incorporated in the big dog chains. That way to help the homie stop. And so that way he could still save his axle and go from there. You know what I mean? So this shit right here, this is the truss. Truss goes over from tube to tube. And then the tabs that I fabricated out, and I use those pivot joints from Black Magic, you know what I mean? And cook them in, go from there. But there she is. Had to save her, that way the homie can still play. Don't do it. Another little shot from this angle, you guys. Got the bridge warrior going on through. Mounting point for the chains. Everything is all bolted in. Grade 8 with the chains on that gold chain. That's a strengthened chain. That's not that cheap shit. Got the sky high coils, whites on the rear. Nice and stiff. Got those fresh brake lines. All re-bent that way to fit. Now that we got that truss, just got that brake line going to the extended rubber brake line. Little Fuchilala for your 3-wheel. Don't do it. Come on. Hope everybody's having a positive day. We out here doing it. We right here off Florence. Come on. Gonna be a late night Sunday fun day, but fuck it, somebody gotta do it. Let me pop open this trunk, that way y'all can get a fresh memory of the hoe. Give me a second real quick. Boom. You know what I mean? Ooh, a little no limit mix, come on. Little 3-pumper, little single pump right here. Single pump with a number 8 traveling out to the nose. Got that comp motor, those number 11 gears. Got 6 of the Gray Top 1000s running on through. Little Fuchilala, little street banger, little clowner. Got the 2 pumps on these corners stuffed away. Straight shot plumbing all the way through. Comp motors on the front pump and on the rear pumps. Got the blow-proof dumps all the way around. Ooh, lucky. Got that little Fuchilala no limit. Come on. That's what we got going on, Lowrider family. Fucking travel warrior. So we in LA Buffet. Then about to go smack my home city in Santa Maria 805. Come on. So traveling warrior. Then I'll be back up, you know what I mean? 4 o'clock in the morning burning out some more shit. But hey, somebody got to do it. Come on. So hope everybody's having that positive fucking weekend and get her done, you know what I mean? There she is, Lowrider family. Axle warrior, yeah, man. Hope everybody has a positive day, and yeah, I mean, you snap your axle, come on, all you gotta do is just build a little truss. Ooh la la. Hell yeah. Have a good one, Lowrider family. Yay!